Hello, my name's David Sidding and I'm a physics teacher here at William Wood High School. Today I would like to show you how you can help your child if they come home and they're struggling with a particular topic in physics. It doesn't matter what the topic is or what level they're studying physics at, the method we're going to use can be applied to all the different levels. What we're going to do today is imagine that your child's come home after sitting their dynamics and space test. For this particular child, they sat a dynamics and space test, they found a fantastic result, 29 out of 40, which is approximately 73%. However, as always, there is room for improvement, and from looking at the planner, we can see that they need to improve in velocity time graphs. Now, what we're going to do isn't just applicable to that particular topic. This could be applied to any topic in any physics course. What I'm going to do now is show you all the resources you can use in the Physics Glow page where you can support your child and encourage them to improve in velocity time graphs. The first thing to do is start at the learning outcomes for the dynamics and space test, and within that there is a key area called velocity time graphs. Within velocity time graphs there are one or two areas the child needs to know: how to plot a velocity time graph, how to interpret and use one of them to calculate displacement, and that would be enough for a period of revision. I wouldn't want the child to do any more than that. As you can see, there's some boxes to tick. The first box, can your child find the notes in their jotter? If not, where can we find them? Has the child practiced questions on that topic? And thirdly, can the child say that they now fully understand velocity time graphs? So the first thing we need to do is check, has your child got the correct notes for this particular topic? You could do that by asking to see their notes jotter. If the notes are missing, however, you can go to the Glow page where all the class notes are saved. It's filed in a simple order, dynamics and space, and then you can see the file names. Once you're comfortable that we've found the correct note, encourage your child to read the notes. This should only be 5 or 10 minutes work. It shouldn't take any longer than that. Once you're happy that the notes have been read, it's always a good idea to practice some questions on that particular topic. These can be found in various locations. The first location, again on the Glow page, is the folder which says homework, and we would encourage your child to practice 1 or 2 homework questions on the topic they've just read the notes on. There's always answers, so the child will know whether they now understand the topic. Once they're comfortable doing the homework questions, they should then practice some past paper questions, and again they can be found in the Glow page. So we've now read the notes, tried 1 or 2 homework questions, and tried exam style questions. If the child's comfortable that they understand this, they can then move on. However, if they're struggling, what should they do? Well, we would encourage them to come to supported study, which is held every week. I would expect them to bring the question they're stuck at, I would expect them to bring their attempt, and then ask one of the physics teachers to explain where they're going wrong. This would be a great use of the child's time. Rather than staying at home and spending half an hour, maybe an hour, trying to work out a question by asking a physics teacher, most things can be resolved within 5 minutes. So to finish off, the child's now been to supported study and they fully understand the topic of velocity time graphs. We should now go back to the learning outcomes where we should check the boxes. Has your child got the notes on velocity time graphs? Yes, they do. Have they now practiced questions? Yes, they have. Do they fully understand? Yes, they do. We can successfully say now that the child has been able to overcome their challenge and their area of improvement for improving in velocity time graphs. We don't need to wait for assessments or end of topic tests before we can use this method to improve your child's learning. This could be done at the end of the school week when you look back at what they've learned, and you can use the tick boxes to say, are your notes up to date? Have you practiced questions? Are you comfortable that you fully understand this topic? If you have any questions regarding this presentation, please feel free to contact the physics department at William Wood High School. We really do want to work in partnership with you to get the best possible result for your child. Thank you very much for watching.